So it must know what length of this. In the direction of the length is 145 given to you. Let's start. We are going to see, so we are going to plot the left side. Vertical line of 200 mm. From here, and the cut of blue color. So I will be taking that layer. Let's put length is 145. Looking from here, if you see, the center is located at a distance of what you can mark it from here. See, this is given to be 65. And from here, if you see that you go up here, you can see at this surface, it is 50 to over from here to the center. And beyond this, there is a radius of our outer diameter. So that is 40. So that means 20 more. Okay. So it is 65 plus 50. So it is coming out to be some 115. 115 plus 20 ahead. So it's 20 ahead. It here. So Height is 20, 15 plus 30 plus 50 plus 40. So becomes this is around 30 and 50 20. This is the length within height. See central distance from here now 145. It is actually 130. It is showing 145 yards in this concept. So into mark 65 plus 1. Yes, you're right. What? Once you have drawn the center line for this, you can just make this part over here, this line over here at a distance of 65 and take it vertical up by 60. Just remove the extra line that you have drawn. Then from the corner of this point to this, you can draw a slant line for the rib. Now you can select this line and you can pull it down so that you can draw the top view also at the same time, because a lot of projections you can take from there. If you see, it is for 90 is the width, so you can take it is, since it is symmetric, you can take an offset at a distance of 45 from this line, and then the match properties you can just take. Center line you can select. From here you can just make circle of whatever radius is given to you. So it is a smaller 24 and out of 40. So smaller 24. So 24 means 12 is the radius, and just take or do match properties to the solid line. Select the solid layer before drawing anything. Then this outer 120. Once this is done, now you can take the projection of this outer one from here. Now before that, you can just draw this C shape here by taking a offset at 20 and from 15 from down. Take an offset for 20 from this side. Then take a offset of 15 from the bottom. Like this. Now trim off the extra part. Trim off the extra part line that is remaining. Like this. Okay. Now again this is for 30. This is 30. Trim. Take the this one as 30 now. And from here 30. After this is for a length of 50 only. 50 plus the base is 20. So 50 plus 20. So you take an offset at a distance of 70 from there. From here you must take an offset at a distance of 70. See, now you may take an offset from here at 15 again. Like this. Now trim off the extra lines. This is the C shape that you required. Now from this point on, now pull this line a little bit up. Now from here at what surface is this present? 40. So make a line at 40 offset. 40 from here. Now from here you take the smaller, you project this. The point where this is going to end, so just connect these two. Like that, same way you take this projection from here. And then you will have to mirror. If you see, you can mirror it. Mirror this line, enter across this. See. And now remove this. Not remove extra part. Okay. Now this is what you get. Now if anything is remaining, this circles and this hidden circle throughout. This is hidden for 20, it is through. So just make some lines which are passing throughout. So this is what it is, the projection. Take it in continuation to this. Let's remove this. Same way, now make it as hidden. Continuation of this, you take care also. So, match properties. Okay, like this. Now here also you make hidden. Okay. So from here it is at a radius of 20. So distance is from here you can take it as 20 offset. Thank you guys. Tomorrow I'm going to start with new topic. See you again. Pull this up little bit so that it looks like it's a hidden or it's a central line. Just match it to this. Now from here offset, take offset. What is the diameter of it? See, it is 16. So 8, 8 on both sides. You take offset. From here at a distance of 8. Like this. Trim it off. Okay. This way you are just. Match property to hidden line. Okay, like this. So this we complete the front view of this. Now completing the top view. Now completing the top view of this. Now making the fillet by using the fillet command. You can just fillet this. When you take the fillet command, you have to give a radius. So 20 you can specify and then just select this. Same with this also. You can repeat the command. On all 4 sides. So just repeat the command by pressing enter on the screen, or either this way. Select fillet and say, then enter, press enter on the keyboard and repeat the command like this. After doing this, you can just complete your work by seeing on this. Now it is draw the central line first. Now already the central line is there. From it you just make 2 lines from here. I am recording the lecture, so I will not talk with anyone right now. Just let me finish the problem. T on both sides. Take this. So the outer diameter of this is actually more. I have done a mistake. So I will just edit this.
अरे खाली कर तू माझ्या जागेवर डॉक्टर कळलं काय मी काम करतो ना हो वायरलेस ट्रीटमेंट मार्गो सिस्टम परफॉर्मन्स हाँ मैडम कमीनो तो नहीं आता ठीक है हाँ मैडम बोला ना काय प्रतिनिधी नाही गेले ठीक आहे ना तुम्ही थोडं
Now drawing the LHSV.
अप्रूव करो ना
45 taken. This is 90 which I have taken. At 45 I am taking the center line. Now match properties, make center line. Since it is symmetrical, you can see how it is going to be projected. Take an offset from here at 20.
मामा कुठे नाही निघाले निघाले काय ते सगळीकडे नाही
From here
गाड्या
take offset at 30 on both the sides and then take offset at 20 also. Take it considering the points, you have to draw the slant line because in the side view also it will appear to you as a slant surface. Now remove these lines which are used for projection. Now something is missing over here, some hidden. So this is actually in continuation over here. This hidden line is there. Okay. Just like that. Same way here also you will draw this, and this is a rib. So match the property to the solid line. Remove this extra part. Now same way here how you have drawn the hidden line, that way you take offset because the center line circle is 24, so take it as 12 on both the sides. and then trim it off till where you require it. So also one more thing to be noted, you draw this line here for this edge. Remove these lines of projections. Yes, this is LHSC. At last I will be drawing the hatching point, because I first draw all, then I do the sectioning thing. So first this is in FB. The sectional will be in the FB. Yes. If you want to remove the half part, so this hidden line will turn into solid, and that one line will go away, and all this line will turn into, if you have to draw the sectional, no, so this hollow part will hold the line like this, solid line it will become, but this is not at the center, no, so this will not be cut. Okay, so where is the hatching going to be? Hatching will be here at this part. So I'm just drawing the hatching or sectional part for you. Just see that. Select ANSI 31, and here this is the, it is very thick now, so you will have to select its value also in its properties. Just select this and then change the properties of it. Since it is too dense, so just go to properties. Line type scale, make it higher.
म्हणजे कळालं तिथे 24 ते 26 लिहिले त्यांनी आज एक घे ना वायरलेस स्पीड मिररिंग उद्या हायब्रिड मोड आणि परवा विंडोज लिहिले ना फॉलोइंग शेड्यूल फ्रॉम 24 ते 26 साडेतीनला जॉईन व्हायला सांगितलं ठीक आहे चालेल साबळे 3:30ला चालू होणार आहे साबळे हा ठीक आहे हा ऑफिसवर
The hatching lines are very dense in this. The command of hatch is not responding right now. So I will fill it like this, but on your side it should not be like this. It should be a command which has some, you can specify its scale. Okay, so if I am selecting this, so yeah, now it is highlighted, so I can make it as 110. Okay, and say enter, and then if I go in, so it's making better now, so I can make it 20. I think 20 is a much better of denseness. And again hatch it over this part also. And here I will just let you know, at the bottom also it will be hashed throughout actually, because if you see it's a throughout solid, so this will get merged. In fact this line won't be there, so it will get merged. Okay, so but this rib thing will stay there. Rib is never hashed. Okay, so it will be like this. This line will go away. And this will follow with hatching line. Sorry, there will be line for this line will not be there. Control Z I am doing. This will continue till the end. It's a hollow part, and then the hidden will be behind it. Okay, here like this it will be. The hatching will not be there for rib because the hollow and rib does not carry hatching line. Okay, is it clear to everyone? Now I'm going to complete the front view. Now one more thing, you have to do the marking for the line. So the leader marking you must do that. This is how you are marking, cutting it as a. Since it's not visible, just go to properties and make it more visible. Like this, you must show that this is what you are cutting. Now completing this view. So these are going to be hidden lines, but these are not so wide. They are in continuation to this. You will just drop a line from here so that you end this from here to here. So there is a limit to this. So just trim off the extra part. This can be removed.
Okay, madam.
Okay, like this. Then again you have to take offset. From here you can just take offset of 60. From here also. And remove the extra part. Then match properties to the hidden line for this. And just trim off the extra ones. Like this. So this is how the RHSV or the LHSV is made. Now you can add the names to them. So just put the name over here.
रिस्टार्ट केलं आहे एकदा बघू आपण अप्रूव्ह करायला did you talk?
Copy. Copy it and just save it here, and then you can just bring it down also over here. Just edit this to FV. Sectional FV. Sectional FV. This is move it above and then zoom it. TV. Then write your name, roll number and all on this side. Name. Title. So just write what type of sheet it is. Ortho 1, sectional ortho assignment 1, like that you give the title. Whatever the title name is written in the PDF, you write that. Then roll number, date, and batch. Please mention these things on the drawing. Then go for, if it is not visible, make the property change. Okay. After this, now create the PDF by selecting plot command. Selecting the monochrome CTB. In this drop down, selecting monochrome. Yes, then you have to select high quality print. Then you have to select ISO A4, but that too landscape one you have to select. Then here you can just click landscape, select window, fit to paper, select window, So whatever your window is, just select that. And then preview you do. So it will convert and show you what you have done. If there is some problem, you can still edit it. I would just suggest that you edit this line from here. Remove it, then it will look more like a C section. And if you see, there is going to be some line over here. If you look at it, there is this line. So it is going to be there. You can make the correction there. And there is no line here. There is line only at this till this point. So this is the side view of it, LHSV. Trim off this extra line over here in between. There won't be any line in between here. You can make it as a hidden line though. It can be made as a hidden line later. And this all line is actually hidden only if you see. This is a through. Okay, don't cut it. Make it as Control Z I am doing. Don't cut it. In fact, make it as hidden line because that is hidden line. It is behind. These corners are behind. So it is hidden line. Like this. Saving this work. You have to generate the PDF instead. Instead of saving the work, you can just generate PDF and you can just save the drawing file. Plot it. Window. Review. So this is how it is properly visible. If extra some lines remain, just remove that. And this AA should come on both the sides. So multiple time you need to create PDF and you need to see, why it is coming like that. You can just remove these extra lines later. You can just go to dim style and do adjustment for arrow because arrow is not seen. So go to dim style and do the modification for arrow. Here its size is 5, but still it is not showing me. Then also it's not showing. Done. I will let you know about this. In case it is not showing, then you can just put near this some slant line showing the arrow. And make it like this also. Okay, so this way how you will be doing your. I have completed this one problem now. Now I'm making the plot view of it.
आज जल्दी और 35 हो गया 30 के बदले 35 हो गया मेरा भी शादी नहीं किया मेरा भी नहीं होगा वो भी मेरी जरूरत नहीं वो काम आ गया
Save it as ortho sectional ortho. Assignment 3.
मेरा आउटलुक लॉगिन करता हूँ तो मैं मेल में जाके वही ओपन करता हूँ ना मेल नहीं जाता हूँ ऑफिस में परीक्षा को बताया था चलो कितने लाख करो आए कोई नहीं चल फिर तो ट्रीटमेंट आई सोबर कुछ लेके चला अरे बोलने तो ऐसे का खोटा नहीं कर तो बस में तो कितना आई चल चालू हो जल्दी से सुंदर करके आता मेरे को हां
Give the mean dimensions. Use the first this line command to give the hatching line. Just match property to this because it should look differently. Should not appear as if it's the same thing. You can't use the same layer for it. Straight remove this and then just use this one to give the dimensions. Yes, just finishing with the video. I'll just upload it. Yes, I'll put it. Wait. This is your final view. That's it. Thank you.